Layla, what's the matter? Where's your buckle? That's real sad. Layla likes buckles. It's like 3 months of liking buckles. See, look. There, I fixed it. You see? And I'm just going to snap it like this. See? You don't want me to snap it? You don't want me to snap it? Can I snap this one? Can I do this one? Look. A buckle. Here, let's snap this one. Ready? The buckle. Look. Here, you want me to snap this one? Okay, ready? There. Oh, okay. You want me to fix it? Okay. There. It's fixed. I'm not real excited that you're fixated on buckles. Look, there, I fixed it. Is that better? You say cheese. You're all happy now? Click, 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 click. You want to buckle it? Okay, let's buckle it. Ready?